This is HB Marshall with Your Crawlspace. Today we want to talk about the YCS Pro vent cover. The YCS Pro vent cover is going to be very similar to our foam vent cover, but it's going to have a couple additional features. Most notably, it's going to have an extra layer of added protection on the front with this black 1/4 inch hardware cloth. It's also going to have removable centers that we've actually placed into the vent by die cutting. And if you actually have a look here, you can see this is a sample where the punches have been removed, and this is a sample where the punches actually remain. The key thing with these punches, these cutouts, is they're actually never going to fall out because we've left a flange in all four corners here of these circles that allows for them to stay locked in unless physically removed. The neat thing about the YCS Pro vent cover is that it has applications in both sealed and vented crawl space. In a sealed crawl space, you would simply insert the vent like you see here. The vent's going to friction fit into any 8x16 standard crawl space opening. It can actually be used as a full retrofit, or it can be used to reinforce an old, deteriorated, existing crawl space vent. In the application for a sealed crawl space, you would leave the punches in, you would simply slide this into the back, and the vent's done. It's protected, it's reinforced, it's rodent proof, it's excluded from rodents and critters that might try to get in. If the crawl space application is vented, you would simply punch out the center die cuts, and you would slide the vent either into the back or into the front side of the existing crawl space opening. The two holes in the center of the vent actually give you just about an equitable amount of ventilation space as having a standard 8x16 crawl space vent would, so you're not cutting down on the ventilation at all. You are able to keep the crawl space vented, but you're also able, with the hardware cloth on the front, to reinforce the vent to prevent rodents and critters from getting in. So the YCS Pro vent cover, like our foam vent cover, can be friction fit into a standard crawl space opening. You can see here how the vent would come out. When inserting the vent, simply fit it in. You can see it's going to be a tight, snug fit. And in the application where this is going into a house, you're going to have mortar or concrete here, which is really going to help the foam grab and hold into place. So you can see once inserted, the Pro vent cover is very, very durable. It's not gonna be knocked out. It can be secured from the backside if you choose with an adhesive, but just the friction fit application is very, very strong. The YCS Pro vent cover is a game changer for the pest control professional, as opposed to hand cutting hardware cloth in traditional exclusion practices. The Pro vent cover is going to save an enormous amount of time, whether in a sealed application or in a vented application. So whether you're looking for a product in a sealed crawl space application or a vented crawl space application, the YCS Pro vent cover is the product for you. If you'd like to learn more, give us a call today at 1-877-44-CRAWL or visit our website at www.yourcrawlspace.com.